Hello friends, welcome to Medification. First of all, I would like to give a big thanks to all of you for loving and supporting our channel, because our channel has already reached 100 subscribers. So it's because of you all people. Thanks a lot. And please do join our Telegram channel as well, okay? Guys, I am going to talk about a totally new concept today. That is, first of all I'm going to teach you the process of digestion of carbohydrate, protein and fat, and I'll also help you to and make a special dish which is not only helpful for exam aspirants but also very useful for the people who are suffering from digestive problems or who want to keep their appetite good. Okay, so let's get started. See guys, the name of the dish is boiled egg potato smash. So the main ingredients required to make this dish is potato, egg and a few quantity of butter. Okay, and other ingredients are also required, but these are the main three ingredients. So first of all, I would like to talk about, so for the first ingredient is potato. Okay, so as we all know that potato is a carbohydrate, so let us start the process of digestion of carbohydrate first. Okay, so we can see that in the buccal cavity the starch is being converted into maltose. Okay, in presence of saliva, and in stomach there is no carbohydrate digestion because in stomach there is HCl secretion. Okay, and there are no enzymes for carbohydrate digestion. And in the small intestine, see how the carbohydrate digestion is occurring. Starch is being converted into maltose. Maltose in presence of maltase is being converted to 2-glucose, and lactose in presence of lactase is being converted into glucose plus galactose, and sucrose in presence of sucrase is being converted into glucose plus fructose. So the next ingredient is boiled egg. So as we know that boiled egg is a source of protein, so now I'll discuss about the protein digestion. See, first of all, the protein that is partially the protein digestion is by enzyme pepsin and HCl in the stomach, as we can see in the diagram, and secondly it occurs in the pancreas, and finally it occurs in the final digestion of protein occurs in the small intestine, as we can see. And now the amino acid, that is the form of protein, is being absorbed into the portal vein towards the liver, and it's finally transferred to the bloodstream. And the very little protein is also present in the feces. Okay, now we will see the enzymes required for protein digestion. First of all, trypsinogen in presence of enteropeptidase. Enteropeptidase means in the intestine is being converted to trypsin. Chymotrypsinogen in presence of trypsin is being converted to chymotrypsin. Procarboxypeptidase in presence of trypsin is being converted to carboxypeptidase.
right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you I feel so much better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky, oh. There's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got
Now we are
something
going to
good. Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Something good.
Going to be damn tasty, and not only tasty, it's going to be very healthy because it has supplement of carbohydrate, protein and fat. Along with some vegetables are also there.